Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to share a little secret with you guys. A site I discovered. It's an affiliate marketing site, or let's say it's a marketplace that sells knowledge-based products. So you promote these digital products to people, and you earn commissions as high as 70%. I've not seen anything like this before. So if you're an affiliate marketer, or you want to make money from affiliate marketing as a complete beginner, you can join TedFix.com. It is free to join, so you don't have to make any payment. I'm also a user of on Expertnaire. I've made some money on Expertnaire, so I'm going to compare the two. Okay. TedFix is easy to convert per se. Like they have straightforward sales pages, like landing pages for their products, and their products are kind of affordable for anyone. So their products are in the range of 5,000, 7,000 depending. So they have a product for 3,000, 2,000 something. So it's easy for anyone to promote and earn. This is my dashboard. Okay, I joined them on the 18th of December 2020. I've made already 89,100 from promoting their product. Now, let's see how it works. Okay, TedFix is an online marketplace that sells knowledge-based materials such as ebooks and courses. You can find good materials from different niches like money making, health, business, etc. So everyone is looking for products. You just have to copy the link of a product you want to market. Go to your affiliate dashboard, generate a new unique link. That's the difference between them and other affiliate marketing programs like ClickBank and Expertnaire. Expertnaire, when you log into your dashboard, you just go and to their products and section, you just copy the link and stuff. But this one, you have to generate your own link. Okay, they pay you 70% fixed fee for anything you sell. If you sell a product of 10,000 naira, 7k is yours. Okay, and their minimum withdrawal, they pay you daily, weekly, and monthly. So they don't have a specific date of payment. They can pay you daily, they can pay you in a week, they can pay you on a monthly basis. So that's it. But I used to get mine daily. Sometimes it comes in a week. Okay, 5,000 naira for Nigerians. So go through their site. If you want to see their products, you come to their homepage. You see a endless list of products you can promote. AdSense, Profit Exposed, SEO, Sergeant, Everything Forex, Email Essentials, Google AdSense. They have courses on relationship, affiliate secrets, social media marketing guide, sales funnel. Let's see. Very simple landing page, very simple sales page. No much jargons and so many information that is boring, or just straight to the point. Okay, so this is it. If you want to order, you click on this link, your customers will click. If you make purchase for this product, you get 70% of the money. So this product cost how much does it cost? This product goes for 5,000 naira. So you get 3,500 for every sale. So you go through their disclaimer, terms of service. So if you are not already logged in, you will see where you can register. So register your account is free. Start promoting your products, their products, and you are good to go. You make some good money. I've withdrawn 4 times. my current balance right now is 6,000 naira. So this is the money I can withdraw. Okay, I've referred 26 referrals, 23 paid. Okay, to see more advanced reports, you can come here. Cheap products are converted products I have promoted. So now let's cut to the chase. Let me show you how you can promote their products. For instance, if I want to promote this, let me say this Google AdSense product, either I click on it and copy the URL, or I click on the products page. Okay, you see the landing page, very easy, anyone can understand this. Okay, this course goes for how much? 1,000 naira. So imagine selling this course and getting 700 naira. It's very easy to sell this handbook for 1,000 naira. So what you do is you click on your browser and you copy. Okay, then you come to my account after you have logged in. You click on marketing, you click on affiliate. If you want to create a campaign so you can track your have a more detailed statistics, you can come to campaigns. Okay, you can come to campaigns. It's not rocket science, very simple. Come to campaigns, you just type any name you want for easy tracking. Let me just call it new. Add new. If you want. Okay, then you come here to your affiliate link. This is the main part. Come to affiliate links in under marketing. Then this is my tracking code. If I want to promote the whole site, but I want to promote a particular product, you can either paste the link of the product here and generate a link. Okay, you don't need to choose any campaign, just generate a link. You see, I've gotten the link. You copy this link and share it to your friends, share it to your email list. If you know more about marketing, you can clone your link. You can use pretty links. You can use URL shorteners to shorten this link so it will not really show your username like this. Okay, if you want. So what I normally do is you can leave it like this, or you can choose the campaign you created. Then you just click on generate. You see the link will be different. See, link will be different. This anyone you want. So now you copy this and paste it. So now when someone clicks on that link, you paste it on your browser, for instance. When someone clicks on this link that you created, okay, it will be tracked for your username for your account. So once the person makes any purchase between 1 to 7 days, it's yours. You get the commission of 70%. So it comes to the product. Have you seen? Simple as ABC. So this is a good alternative to other affiliate marketing programs. So this is very good for beginners and for experts. You can sell courses, sell information for a good commission rate. So I'll leave the link to the site on the description. So check it out and comment.